Hello, and welcome to Andrew Broussard Watercolors. I wanted to do a quick unboxing video from a new company that I ordered from. That being said, I'll take my own money, and I'll take money from the Patreon revenue and donations through the Ko-fi and the YouTube Super Thanks, and put it back into supplies so that we can continue exploring and trying out different things. And then from there, you can see what is available out there, and if it's something that you want to add to your own personal collection of art supplies. So, this is the St. Louis Art Supply company. They have tons of advertisements on Facebook where a lot of people have commented on them. So I like to kind of see the art supply video, click the comments to see what people are thinking, if they tried it or not, and if they liked it. And I recognized some of the commenters' names. I think one of them was Miss Zimmerman, who admins one of the watercolor pages. And she had commented saying she enjoyed it. And I had commented under her comment saying, is it really that good? And she's like, yes, I absolutely love it for watercolor, etc. So I've been kind of just sitting on it for a while, thinking about, okay, when I eventually do an art purchase and explore a new device, that'll be what I get. So the time came. I placed the order, free shipping, I believe over $65 from the St. Louis Art Supply. Packaged really well. I'll go through the different things that I ordered, and then from there, we'll see where we go. So I believe this is their card, which is a great way to have a card with the measuring tape on it. And it came with a little sticker. Stickers are always fun. Since I got back into longboarding and skateboarding, been getting stickers with everything, and they've started to just propagate and be everywhere. All right, so a few different devices. This is the first. This is a refillable brush pen. I believe it was about $10. I have my packing sheet right here. Does it say on the packing sheet? No, it does not. Price about $10. A fairly well-known Chinese producer. I'm not sure if it was Tomo or who. It's a shame it doesn't say it on there. But whenever we do a video on this, I'll have all the information for you. That being said, it comes with 2 empty cartridges. It comes with a little syringe, so you could open it up. You could syringe in to the cartridge and then use it as a brush pen. Previously I was using the Noodler's Conrad brush pen, but it does have a little bit of evaporation issues. It's a fantastic pen. So I wanted to explore that and just play around with the brush pen world. I'm not a fan of the aqua brushes, so kind of a little bit next level is what I need. So we'll go over that one day. I bought this Duo. Ooh, did I order the wrong thing? Did I accidentally add Dr. P.H. Martin's Bleed Proof White to the order? I did not plan on doing that. Let me check and see. Oh no, I had put it in the box. I had ordered the Dale Rowney Pro White, and I ordered it to compare to my pre-existing bottle of the Bleed Proof White. The plan is to see how this works as the opaque watercolor. I know that this one has some warnings about mixing and things like that, so we'll play around and compare and see how that is, see if one's better than the other. All right, so that's one. Now, corresponding with that, and this is all packaged really well, I had put the stuff back in to start the video over, because I had misspoke about something. Okay, I bought the black version of it. I think together it may be $12, $14, maybe about $7 each. So we'll compare those and we'll play around with those, either as just a sole device, just a sole medium, or as additions to what we're actually painting. Now this is the kind of the main one that I wanted to order. Hopefully I'm pronouncing it correctly. Kakamori, the Metal Nib. There's 2 different ones out there. I think there might be actually 3. The brass, which was about $45, $47. Stainless steel, which I think was a little bit more expensive. And I believe they have a glass nib, but the glass nib was sold out. The brass one is a little bit wider, I believe, where they recommend this one for art, while the other one is for writing. I don't do much dip pen writing. Really, Hammy, you gonna play in the box mid-video? Let's pop this guy out. All right, I'm probably gonna have to get to the camera close with it, so let's get it to adjust and see. It has all these grooves for the ink or the watercolor to sit in, and we'll play around with different mediums and see how that works. And it'll slide right onto a dip pen. The nib itself, do the cuts run all the way to the nib? Really, Hammy? This is just a train wreck of a video. I apologize. But you can see all those slits that run the full length of it, and that'll help fill and to feed the ink. And it should just sit on a nib holder really easily. Let me grab a nib holder. You know what? I'm just going to end this video. So that's my order from St. Louis Art Supply. We'll do a specific video on this and on the other materials. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you enjoyed Hammy's rump and tail on the video. So if you like this channel and you like whenever I explore new mediums, or want to help support just purchasing the mediums that I already get, I have a whole bunch of links down below. I'll talk to y'all soon. Have a great day.